coffee cooling by the door. I used to chase a distant view. Now I'm waking up to you. All the noise I held so tight fades into a quieter kind of right. Love what you have, right where you stand. Not every dream needs a bigger plan. Hands in the moment, heart finally still. Some things don't need fixing, some never will. Love what you have, let it be enough. There's a kind of magic in the simple stuff. City hum like a gentle song. Nothing here feels rushed or wrong. Used to think I'd missed my turn. Now I see there's more to learn. I don't need the perfect scene, just a life that feels like me. All the gold I couldn't see was already here quietly. Love what you have, right where you stand. No more reaching for another land. Here in the present, I understand. Everything I needed was close at hand. Love what you have, let it be enough. There's a steady beauty in the simple stuff. Soft as a whisper, clear as a truth. I was searching for more, found it in you. I wanna sing like birds sing. No reason, no warning. No perfect lines, no cage, no ceiling. Just air my lungs wide open, feeling. Let it rise, let it fall, let it break, let it ring. I don't need a name for anything. I just wanna sing like birds sing. I try to measure every sound, trace every step, keep it all pinned down. But freedom lives where I let go, in all the places I don't control. There's a tremble I can't contain, a fragile kind of untamed. And even if it shakes my voice, it's still a louder kind of choice. Now every echo is turning true. I hear a version of something new. I wanna sing like birds sing. No reason, no warning. No perfect lines, no cage, no ceiling. Just air in my lungs, wide open feeling. Let it rise, let it fall, let it break, let it ring. I don't need a name for anything. I just wanna sing like birds sing. If it's uneven, let it be. If it's uncertain, let it breathe. I'm done holding back the sound I was meant to let out. I'm gonna sing like birds sing. No reason, no warning. No perfect lines, no cage, no ceiling. Just air in my lungs, wide open feeling. Let it rise, let it fall, let it break, let it don't need a name for anything. I'm finally free in everything. I'm gonna sing like birds sing. Endless miles behind me, I let them fade. Wild star hums like a promise made. Every road I wandered pulled me through. Fragments of a life I outgrew. I wore every silence like a coat, held the weight of words I never spoke. Now the wind don't question where I've been, it just lets me breathe again. There's a stillness calling out my name. Not a place, not a face, not a flame. I am home in the space I couldn't see, in the quiet that was waiting for me. Not a door, not a light in the night, but a feeling I don't have to fight. All the miles fall out of my bones. I don't need a road to know. I am home. I am home. I am home. Old ghosts fade in the open air, lose their shape when I stop the stare. Every shadow softens in the sun. Every ending folds into one. I don't chase what I used to chase. Time don't move at the same old pace. There's a rhythm underneath my skin that I'm finally listening. No walls, no keys, no lines to trace. No map could ever hold this place. It was breathing under every doubt. I just had to let it out. I am home in the air I breathe, in the truth I don't have to leave. Not a road, not a past to outrun, just a life that's finally begun. Oh, the miles fall out of my bones. I was never alone. I am home. I am home. I am I saw the way you looked at her like she lit a match inside your chest. Don't bother telling me it's harmless. I've memorized your worst and best. Your coat still smelled like winter air, and something sweet that wasn't mine. You came home late with lips half tucked behind a crooked silent light. So don't say her name, I already know. I watched it happen, soft and slow. The way your fingers brushed her wrist, like I was someone you could miss. Hope she tastes the guilt you hid, 'cause I was that girl you kissed before you learned to forget me quick. I'm not the storm you thought I'd be. I'm quieter than you deserve, but every calm hides undertow. And baby, other. I guess she must be just like air, the kind that sneaks into your lungs while I'm still choking on your care. So don't say her name, I already know. I felt it shift that undertow. The way your smile began to twist, like love was something you could quit. You marked me like a cigarette, then burned through that girl you kissed, like I was just your last regret.